Hello friends, today we are going to see the non-conventional machining process, that is a wire cut electric discharge machining, which is also called as a WEDM. In that we'll cover the principle of a wire cut EDM, setup of WEDM, process or controlling parameters, and the application of this wire cut EDM. In wire cut EDM process, in a wire cut EDM discharge machining process, we are using the same principle that which we are using in the EDM. In EDM, you know that heat energy generated by a spark is used to remove the material from the workpiece. So on the same principle, it works. Here I have shown one diagram, the two wires I have taken, and the spark will generate between these two, and these the spark which has been generated is used to remove the material from the workpiece. Uh, Basically this process is comfortable when workpiece is to be cut has a through hole in that. Otherwise we can take the just outer edge of this workpiece, can be removed the material by the wire cut EDM. The as per the this I have shown where the small holes are there and through which the wire can be inserted. The diameter, generally the wire which we are using here, which will act as a tool, whose diameter is zero point 0.3 mm, and basically the wire which we are using is a tungsten, or the we can see the copper in this case, and deionized water is used as a dielectric fluid, and this deionized water is simply means a removal of ions here. Principle of wire cut EDM, uh, it works on the principle that the heat energy generated by a spark used to remove the material from the workpiece. It uses the wire of around zero point 0.3 mm diameter, has just act as a tool in this case. Constant gap we are trying to maintain between the tool and the workpiece, which is around zero point 0.5 mm, and this is only possible by using the control system. And the wire is continuously moved at a constant speed through the workpiece. A dielectric fluid we are using, and this dielectric fluid is constantly flushed here in this area, we can see between the tool and the workpiece while doing the machining operation. So when we switch on the current, in that case the sparks are generated between the tool and the workpiece, and heat generated during this sparking process results ultimately in melting the workpiece. In order to create the desired shape on the workpiece, the table motion will be given in along the Z and I can say the X by using the control system. So this is all about the principle of wire cut EDM. Setup of the wire cut EDM process here. In the as per the setup is concerned, we are basically will see the four major parameters. Our first parameter is the power supply system. In this power supply system, the tool and workpiece are connected to this DC supply, and here the voltage which we are using is 50 volt. So very less voltage is used because the wire is very thin there, and as per you can see that this is a DC power supply there, and this tool means in this case wire will act as a tool and which is connected to the negative terminal of the DC supply, and the wire which act as an anode and it is connected to the positive terminal. Second parameters is the dielectric system. So in a dielectric system, the deionized water is used as a dielectric fluid in this WEDM, and the nozzle is employed. You can see here the nozzle, and the dielectric fluid get inject between the tool and the workpiece by using the pump. Then the third is the CNC control system. In a CNC control system is used for the movement of this table. So in this case, the table movement will take place in two directions, X direction, and you can see this is the Z directions. Or the simultaneously the both the X and Y X and Z can be operated, so that we'll get the countering cuts on the workpiece. And fourth is the wire drive system. In this wire drive system, basically there are three functions here. One, we can see the wire feed. So to feed the fresh wire for machining, which is called as a wire feed mechanism. Second, you can see here the wire take up mechanism. So when the wire is used, it get wound there on the reel. And the third important parameters to keep the wire under the appropriate tension here, so that it can move in basically the machining areas as a straight wire. So this wire is used only once. And during the operation, when the supply is made on, the dielectric fluid get ionized, and ultimately the melting will takes place on the workpiece. So this is what we are already discussed. Process, or we can say the controlling parameters of the wire cut EDM. In this wire cut EDM, again, there are 6 basic controlling parameters. First is the discharge current. So here, whatever the currents we are using, it's a very low current, we can say, around 30 ampere, because a very thin wire we are using. In this case, as the discharge current increases, so naturally the material removal will also increases. Second is the pulse duration. The pulse durations, again, we are increasing. As we increases the pulse duration, the material removal will also increases. And if you increase the pulse duration, but the second parameter you can see, we'll get a poor surface finish on the workpiece. Pulse frequency, mostly it is about 1 megahertz frequency we are using. As we here also, if you increase the pulse frequency, the material removal rate also increases. As per the wire speed is concerned, so around 2.5 to 150 mm per second speed we can use. And especially the cutting rate ultimately depends upon the thickness of the workpiece. And the average machining rate, we can say 10 to 15 mm square per minute is generally achieved in this with the help of this speed. Then the wire tension, appropriate wire tension should be maintained in order to keep the wire straight. And generally the wire tension is 50% to 60% of its tensile strength in this case. And as per the dielectric fluid, especially the nozzle is employed or used to inject the fluid in the machining areas, and the supply of dielectric fluid will be continuous. And dielectric fluid, generally what we can reuse, but only after the filtration. Now, as per the application is concerned, we have shown the number of application. Punches and dies used in the press tool can be made. So here you can observe the press tools there. For production of mold dies, here this is a mold dies which we can observe here also. Then the wire to cut a complex counter in the electrically conducted workpiece. So you can see here, very complicated counters can be possible in the wire cut EDM. Even you can see that if you want a superior quality at the edges, it is only possible in the wire cut EDM. And cylindrical pins of a small, so if you want a very small holes, right, in any of the especially in the needles which has been used as a syringe there in or a doctor has always used. So if you, it is possible in this case. So there are many applications of this wire cut idiom. So thank you, my friend.